Hi friends, I'm Juan here at Up with the Sun, where I bring you lifestyle and fandom realness. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being here. And if you're new to the channel, welcome. Today we are going to be opening up these mystery pin boxes of Pixar characters. And not only Pixar characters, they're Pixar characters with picnic baskets. We have the Alien, we have Heimlich, we have May from Turning Red, we have Boo from Monsters Inc., we have Russell for Up. What is this rat's name? From Ratatouille. Remy from Ratatouille. There it is. And then finally, of course, in the center, we have Miguel for Coco. Obviously, these have been out for a while. I got these from Box Lunch. So let's go ahead and get started. So again, I just opened these up from the bottom. I hope everyone's been having a wonderful month so far. A lot has been going on, and partially the reason why I'm not on camera. But, you know, we're pushing through and we're trying to make the best of a really interesting situation that we find ourselves in. Okay, so this is the first one, and it's gonna be, wow, we have Remy here. Look at him. These are such a great size. Obviously happy with himself. All right, love this. And then the basket is included, so you can see that they do have the Funko crowns on them. It does say Pixar there. And here's his basket. We have the Eiffel Tower in the center, in the red basket, and we have the checkered blanket here in this blue. We have a wedge of cheese. We have Remy's hat, and then of course we have some grapes there. And this is what it looks like side by side. Okay, box number 2. Let's see here. Okay. Our first one is boo. Well, we have another Remy and another basket there. Okay. This is box number 3, so we're definitely not completing the set today, unfortunately. Okay, off the rip, we have... Okay, look at the basket. Who do y'all think it is? Obviously, this is Up. So we have Carl's glasses, we have the grape soda bottle cap, we have the Wilderness Explorer badge, we have some chocolate there, and we have bottles of the grape soda, which is really cute, along with the basket full of balloons. All right. So that means we have Russell here, and I love his expression. He's running with his net, and he has his flag there, and he's just such a joyful character for the most part. So cute with his little chunky self. And this is what they look like together, side by side. Okay, box number 4. Y'all really know which one I want, right? Y'all know I want Miguel. I've seen these like on sale on Mercari and stuff, but I got an opportunity to get these at a great price. So I said, let's have it. Let's see. What are we gonna do? Let me get the character first. Oh my gosh! And we have Miguel! Oh my goodness! Yes! I am so happy. I don't care what else I get now. I just wanted this little man. Oh my gosh, so cute. Obviously it's him with his Dia de los Muertos paint, so you can, you know, get away with being dead in the land of the dead. And he has his hoodie there. Very skinny pin. We have this gorgeous picnic basket here with the sugar skull in the center, and then we do have these marigolds on the blanket there. We have the guitar there. Okay, there's conchas, there's corn on the cob, there's tamales, and then there's like the shakers there. This is such a vibrant, beautiful picnic basket. I'm obsessed. And this is what they look like side by side. Okay, so we have 2 left, and we still need May, Heimlich, the Alien, or Boo. I really want the Alien, and I really want May. So let's see what happens. Let's see who we're gonna get. Let's see, and this is the character. No, this is the basket. Oh, they're tangled. No, this is the character. Oh my god, no. Boo. Screw you, Remy. You are the life ruiner of this video. Okay, well, this will be for trade. The last box at this point, I just want something different, right? This is where we get desperate. Okay, here we go. Final box. Who's it gonna be? Oh! Okay, boo. It's a duplicate. I wanted this really bad, so it showed up twice. But it's such a beautiful set, but this will be up for trade. Okay, so this is the damage. So I obviously am gonna keep one of the Remy's, one of the Miguel's, and even though I don't collect up, I will probably keep this as well. Unless you have something really good for me, I'd love to trade, you know, because I actually am not an up collector, like, at all. So if you have something that you'd like to trade for this, I'm more than open. And obviously I have 2 Remy's and a Miguel to go ahead and trade with y'all. So if that's something you're interested, please go ahead and DM me here on my Instagram and get in contact with me, and I'd love to make the trade. If not, then I will be selling these on Mercari. So that's just how it rolls, you know. I don't want to keep extras around for too long. So again, if you see something you like, please go ahead and DM me. But that'll be it. Thank you so much for joining me. Comment down below which pin is your favorite. If I had to pick a favorite, obviously it's going to be Miguel. I just think there's just so much going on in their basket, as well as Russell's. I mean, that's a close second for me, to be honest. Also, let me know, are we twinning on any of these pins? Huge thank you to all my subscribers. Your support means the world to me. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video out with someone you think that might like it. Also set that bell notification to all so you're notified for future videos like this one. And with that, be safe, tell someone that you love them because tomorrow is never promised, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!